Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to generate a PDF file of your Master Tool project. First, go to the Projects tab, then select Document, and here there's a list you can select relevant files and programs of your project. So I'll select just the programs I want. So I can select, for example, let's say Bill of Materials, Configuration Consumption, and the program we have been coding this entire series, so user PRG. And before we proceed with any actions, we can preview this PDF file. So let's go into preview. And Master Tool will then generate a well-documented PDF file of your project. So here you can see the title, the file name, the date it was generated, and also the profile. If we skip one page, there's the table of contents. Here we can see the bill of materials, name is Zumirin. There's our controllers model, the power consumption, and finally, the user PRG. We can see the variable names and also our letter program. There we go. Let's close it now. And if you click OK, you can print this file or save it to your computer. And that's it for this video, and I see you on the next one.